seems as though I've got a long time of driving straight forwards, and because I'm using it a lot, it's interesting to just see. I've never used it before, the cruise control on a Harley, or on any bike in fact. So if we have a look on here, if I hit right on my little cruise control button, it pops up with a yellow light, and that means it's ready for me to now set whatever speed I want. So let's say I want to hit it on 80 miles an hour. All I do now is push down, light's gone green, and now the bike is completely run itself. Well, not really, I should really be steering it. So it'll stay at 80. If I want to go a little bit faster, I just hit up and it'll add, let's say, 1 mile per hour on there. So if you want to go quite a bit faster, just keep toggling it up. And to disengage it's super easy as well. It's just either clutch, brake, any brake, and it flicks it off again. So, you know, if you're gonna come into traffic in front of you, you can just knock it off quickly, and then when you're ready, you just push down on a button, because my yellow light's still on. Let's set it at 85, bing, and there we go. It's now looking after itself again. You can accelerate when cruise control's on as well, but yeah, super easy. It's yeah, it just makes these long drives a little bit easier. Otherwise, this hand would be getting a little bit painful, uncomfortable. Can't stretch it out, obviously, because if you want to stretch it out without cruise control, yeah, you start decelerating. So yeah, that's just my little boredom bit of information there.